Cam ain't with me yet, but we come and do some good old country shit. Your boy Coburn and got stuck like Chuck hunting rabbits, so I'm gonna go see if we can yank his ass out right quick. If I can find where he's at. It's supposed to be like right here. How you got over there? Through right there? You gotta be crazy. Back at y'all, I couldn't get it even close. So, about to check it out. Fucking stuck like Chuck out here in the cane field. And shit's so sloppy. Dokie to the rescue. My boy Cole. Me and my nigga Cole out this bitch. We stuck. We both got stuck. Yeah.
On the blow?
Yeah. Oh lordy. We still stuck, guys. We are kinda fucked. Oh lordy. It's fun though. Louisiana shit. That's what we do. Fun. We're stuck. Damn it, man. I don't know where Cam's at. He said he was coming. I think he seen the fucking footage and decided not to come. But I don't know. I'm gonna get some more action. Some yanking and some dirt slinging and some mud pulling and some all of that good shit. I'll get back at y'all. So give me a second, bro. Well, things are like they're getting a little better. I got unstuck by myself, and we got the big green boy. All right, y'all, it's not looking good. Hey,
Turn your wheel the other way. The other way.
yeah, like that. No, like you had it. Like you had it. Give it some gas. Oh.
You're gonna probably have to push it.
You know, got him out. Got everybody in the building. Wildlife or no life in here. Wildlife or no life, they can't help us get us the extra hand. We need to get up out of here right quick. This for my vlog, you know?
Oh yeah.
Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
Oh, wildlife or no life. You know how it go.
You know. Shout out, man. Big shout out. Y'all go follow them on their social media. Wildlife or no life.
That's right. Got a wildlife or no life page they can go look under.
We got this bad boy out, bro. Let's see what else we got up for the day, y'all. That's it. Out y'all getting it, man. Whole crew.
boy just went mud riding. Now he cleaning it.
So glad we from out of that fucking cane field, bro. Bro, we was stuck so bad, bro. If it wasn't for that tractor, we wouldn't get out.
Right. Vroom, vroom.
We get into it. Like I said, we back at y'all. This is just gonna be part 2 of this vlog, but we coming at y'all we're just gonna do a little working on the bike. I'm gonna go ahead and strip it down a little bit. Yeah, but I can't believe this is my really first time taking the part out of this shell while it's like kind of dirty after I didn't rode it myself, and it's kind of unbelievable how dirty it is.
What this is a 2017.
I mean, other than the air filter, I mean, I don't know about this, but Jesus Christ, I mean, it's dirty everywhere. Like it hasn't, like it's been sitting outside. I don't know.
It could be worse.
It could be a lot worse.
Could be a lot worse.
Dealing with, I mean,
It's a dirt bike. You could have a lot more inside of it than on the outside.
it's just weird how shit goes from being brand new to kind of like this, but we'll get it right. Everything's, like I said, it's a good base for what I need. It's not really exactly what I needed, but it was a good base and it's a good bike. So it's the shit you gotta deal with when you buy used shit and you don't go to the dealership and buy something that's brand new. But we'll get to it. And I don't know. Another thing, we gotta get Cam back on the bike.
Gotta get my
ASAP.
bike back, man.
ASAP.
But that every day, you know, it's the holidays right now, so it's like I'm having fun and doing all type of other stuff.
things
and
are a little
going
bit-
meet and greet families and all type of everything else. So like, it's hard for me to go to the shop right now and just go get it. So after a couple of days, you should see it back on the channel.
Pretty much, and I mean,
Maybe
with
a
this
couple
thing,
updates.
it's just, right now, it's honestly just a struggle with the suspension and with it just being set up as a woods bike. Like, it's just a little bit more off than what I don't know, honestly, than what I expected. But I mean, it ain't nothing that's impossible to do. Oh yeah, but basically with the bike, the main problem so far is just the suspension being really soft. So, like at Arcola, I just had a problem like coming into like off of downhill tables and downhill doubles, coming like into small braking bumps and like into the chatter. Like the bike just kind of, it eats up the suspension. Like it goes down in the stroke, and then after you get like about maybe halfway into the turn, it's just no suspension left. So, I mean, like it's basically beyond the point of me just turning some clickers and being able to get it right from there. So, like I said, it's just, the bike is just a work in progress. Like I said, without the suspension being done right now, I can't really ride it exactly how I want. I can't really do exactly what I want to do on the bike because I can't ride it how I want to. So, like for now, it's just gonna be set up and just really going through this thing and trying to make sure it's, well, not trying to make sure, but making sure, just making sure it's for me and making sure everything's 100% on it.
You just making it your own.
At the end of the day, these bikes cost a lot of fucking money, and it's just, it's not. I mean, I don't know.
Ain't that you want to half-ass.
Yeah, to half-ass, for me to buy a bike that costs more than $7,000-8,000 and to just basically have it halfway set up and riding it halfway to the potential is just nothing that I want to.
Right.
It's nothing I want to deal with.
Like a waste of money.
Just be a waste of time. So that's why I'm gonna take my time and just try to get this thing. All right, y'all, and that's a wrap for vlog number 5.
Yes.
We don't know what's coming up for New Year's. We ain't making no motherfucking promises. You feel me?
Yeah.
But just y'all keep running them views up, man.
Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know. Give
Follow
us
the
some feedback.
social medias.
Man, we need everything that y'all could possibly think of, to make our channel better, because it's for you, not us.
It's for you. for you watching this video. So y'all just, keep doing what y'all doing. People that's watching the video, y'all tuned in. If y'all watching and y'all not subscribed, go subscribe, hit the like, make everything go up. Everything go up. We gonna go up, and that's a wrap.